Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Outlook color theme. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version, and to change the Outlook color theme you want to go to this file option right here and then go to the options. This will bring you this window which is called Outlook Options, and in the General section, which is automatically selected. If it's not, just click on the General section. And as you can see, you have this Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. So you can change the background, and also you can change the Office theme. So now it is selected to white, and if I'm going to maybe select it to colorful and then click OK, it will change to the blue section, blue color, as you can see right now. And also maybe let's do it again and change it to maybe dark gray or maybe black, and then click OK. And as you can see, my whole theme has changed to dark. Also, you can change it to other colors and even change the office background. So let's maybe select 3 rings and change the office theme to the dark gray, not to be so dark in here. So as you can see, this is the dark gray. In my opinion, doesn't look so great because as you can see, your background of the emails are white. It looks a little bit, just bad to me, but maybe you will like it. So this is it. This is how you change color themes in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!